Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I will show you how to solve problem of lowest common multiple of 3 numbers. Solution. What we do here, we use the first method, which is multiple methods. A multiple method, we have to look for the multiples of 6, 8, and 9. Multiples means times table. What are the multiples of 6? We say 6 times table. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 8, 48. 6 times 9, 54. 6 times 10, 60. 6 times 11, 66. And 6 times 12, 72. Then what next? We look for the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8, 8 times 1, 8. Times 2, 16. Times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 9, 72. 8 times 8, 8. 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 11, 88. 8 times 12, 96. Then we take 9 times table. 9 times 9 is 1. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, 63. 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 10, 90. 9 times 11, 99. All these are multiples of 6, 8, and 9. Therefore, the LCM of these 3 numbers, we look for the common numbers that appear in the tray. We have 72 appear in line 9, 72 appear in lines 8, and 72 appear in line 6. Therefore, LCM is the lowest common multiples that appear the 3 lines, which is equals to 72.